Panachari Jayo Radhamano Va Kunjabihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Yashodanandana Vrajajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vrajajana Ranjana Yamunatira Panachari Jayo Radhamano Va Kunjabihari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare. नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
दैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
पूजयमुदीरये।
ततो जयमुदीरये।
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
सर्वेषु भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवति उत्तमश्लोके
भगवती
उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भक्ति नैष्टिकी।
भक्तिर्भवति
भक्ति
नैष्ठिकी।
नैष्ठिकी।
हरे कृष्ण एवरीबॉडी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
हरे
प्रणाम।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
प्रणाम।
श्रेयसामिह सर्वेषां
श्रीयसां
श्रेयसां सर्वेषां
सर्वेषां
श्रेयसाम इह सर्वेषां
श्रेयसां
श्रेयसां
सर्वेषां
सर्वेषां
ज्ञानं निःश्रेयसं परम्
ज्ञानं
ज्ञानं
निःश्रेयसं
निःश्रेयसम्पदम्
परम्
सुखं तरति दुष्पारम्
सुखं
सुखं
तरति
सुखं तरति
दुःखाभारम्
ननौ व्यसनार्णवम्
ज्ञाननौर्व्यसनार्णवम्
ज्ञानमोर्व्यसनानवम्
श्रेयसाम् इह सर्वेषां
श्रेयसां
सर्वेषां
सर्वेषां
ज्ञानं निःश्रेयसं परम्
ज्ञानं
ज्ञानं
निःश्रेयसं
परम्
निःश्रेयसम्पदम्
सुखं तरति दुष्पारम्
सुखं
सुखं
तरति
तरति
दुष्करम्
दुष्करम्
ज्ञाननौ व्यसनार्णवम्
ज्ञानमोर्व्यसनानवम्
ज्ञाननौर्व्यसनानवम्
श्रेयसामिह सर्वेषां
श्रेयसाम् इह
श्रेयसामिह सर्वेषां
ज्ञानं निःश्रेयसं परम्
ज्ञानं
ज्ञानं
श्रेयसम्पदम्
ज्ञाननिश्चयसम्पदम्
सुखं तरति दुष्पारम्
सुखं
सुखं
तरति
तरति
दुष्पारम्
दुष्करम्
दुष्पारम्
ज्ञाननौ व्यसनार्णवम्
ज्ञाननौर्व्यसनार्णवम्
श्रेयसामिह सर्वेषां
श्रेयसामिह
श्रेयसामिह
सर्वेषां
ज्ञानं निःश्रेयसं परम्
ज्ञानं
निःश्रेयसं
निःश्रेयसम्पदम्
परम्
सुखं तरति दुष्पारम्
सुखं
सुखं
तरति
तरति
दुष्करम्
दुष्पारम्
ज्ञाननौ व्यसनार्णवम्
ज्ञानव्यसनार्णवम्
उसी को करना है. हो गया, हो गया. Shreyasam of all benedictions, Iha in this world, Sarvesham of every person, Jnanam knowledge, Nishayasam the supreme benefit, Param transcendental, Sukham happiness, Tarati crosses over, Dushparam insurmountable, Jnana knowledge. Now
Knowledge.
both. Vyasana danger. Arnavam the ocean. In the material world, there are different types of achievement, but all of them, the achievement of knowledge is considered with the highest because one can cross the ocean of nations only on the boat of knowledge. Otherwise, the ocean is impassable. Yes, Mataji?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. Actually, everyone is suffering within this material world due to ignorance. Every day, we see that a person without knowledge commits some criminal act and is later arrested and punished, despite the fact that he actually may not have been conscious of his sinful activity. Such ignorance prevails throughout the world. People do not consider how they are risking their lives in an attempt to have illicit sex life, kill animals to satisfy their tongue, enjoy intoxication, and gamble. It is very regrettable that the leaders of the world do not know of the effects of these sinful activities. They are instead taking things very easily and are succeeding in making the ocean of nations wider and wider. Opposed to such ignorance, full knowledge is the greatest achievement within this material world. We can practically see that one who has sufficient knowledge is saved from many dangerous pitfalls in life, as stated in Bhagavad Gita 7.19. Bahunam janmanamante gnanam prapadyate. When one actually becomes wise, he surrenders unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha. Such a great soul is very rarely to be found. This Krishna conscious movement is determined to open wide the eyes of the so-called leaders who are full of ignorance and thus save them from many pitfalls and dangerous conditions of life. The greatest danger is the danger of getting a body lower than that of a human being. It was with great difficulty that we attained this human form of life just to take advantage of this body and re-establish our relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Govinda. Lord Shiva advises, however, that those who take advantage of these prayers will very soon become devotees of Lord Vasudeva and thus will be able to cross the ocean of nations and make life perfect. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shreyasamiha sarvesham jnanam nishayasam param
Jnanam Nishayasam Param.
sukham tarati dushparam
Param.
jnanano vyasananavam
ज्ञान और व्यसनोत्सव.
In the material world, there are different types of achievement, but all of them are achievements of knowledge is considered with the highest. Because one can cross the ocean in essence only on the boat of knowledge, otherwise the ocean is impassable. Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी
Hare Krishna Prabhuji pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, तुम्हें प्रणाम.
So the dangers of material existence and ignorance, the two meditations in the shloka. Let us look at dangers. We have the examples of dangers. One deer is having with another deer nice time. The she deer is very beautiful. He deer is looking at that. There is a nice waterfall. Nice sound is coming, tap, tap, tap. And then everything is going on, nice breezes there, wonderful flowers, wonderful birds chirping, nice smell of the roses. And the deer is thinking, wonderful. And suddenly, what he doesn't know is that behind the bush, the tiger is waiting to attack any time. And somewhere behind a tree, a hunter is waiting with the arrows. This is actually material existence. What is material existence? This is the material existence. We think little health is good. Prabhupada used to laugh. When he asks anybody, how are you, what does he say? Fine. Prabhupada says, what fine? You are in this condition. How can it fine? Actually, we should be aware that we are in a very dangerous position. Savdhani hati, durgatna ghati. Just a little careless. Bharat Maharaj is nicely doing spiritual life. He has been a good ruler. Just by that, heaven was guaranteed for him, doing his duties nicely, living a pious life. On top of that, now he has come for spiritual development. He wants to not go to heaven, he wants to go to Vaikuntha. He's nicely practicing his spiritual life, and tears of bhava, he has reached the stage of bhava. Tears of love of Krishna started coming in his eyes. He is in such, wonderful position. But then he thought, why not I take care of the small deer? Gone. I had to take birth again in the material world. How dangerous. Ajamila was nicely taking care of his grihastha life. He had a very chaste wife. He was full of wonderful qualities. Bhagavatam lists his wonderful qualities. Very gentle, blah, blah, blah. So many lists is there. Then what happened? He became little inattentive. And what happened to him? He started running behind a prostitute. Lost everything. Destroyed. See, गड़बड़ ये होता है कि हम शास्त्र सुन रहे हैं, हम जप कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अपने मन में अगर इंद्रिय भोग की इच्छा छुपा के रखे हैं, ये सब टाइम का वेस्ट है. से सब टाइम का पाखंड है बेसिकली. हम बाहर से दिखा रहे हैं, ड्रेस है, तिलक है, लेकिन दिल में इंद्रिय भोग की इच्छा पाल के बैठे हुए हैं. मतलब इतना बेशर्मी का चीज है, और उस पाखंड का काम नहीं चलेगा आगे. मोर डेंजरस. सी सपोज कोई आदमी आपका दुश्मन है, it's very easy to understand and you will be careful about it. But somebody says he's your friend, but actually he's your enemy, it's more dangerous. True? Many wars are lost when somebody, a close relative, rebels at the last minute. It has happened in India also. So many kings attacked from outside. But they lost the wars because all the kings in India were disunited. Correct? Therefore, it is easier to lose a war when we are ourselves doing some pakhand. मन में इंद्रिय भोग की इच्छा पाल के बैठे हुए हैं और बाहर से भक्ति उस जप का भी कुछ फायदा नहीं, उस साधना के भी कुछ फायदा नहीं, उस संकीर्तन का सब everything becomes waste at the end of the day. I am not saying that. Prahlad Maharaj says, Matirna Krishne parato sato va mitho abhipadyet graha vratanam adant gobhi vishatam tamishram puna puna charvita charvanana. अरे मूर्ख, तेरे को इतना बारी चख के भी समझ नहीं आया कि ये वेस्ट है. पुनः पुनः चर्वित चर्वनाना. मतिर्न कृष्ण, कभी कृष्ण का भक्त नहीं बनोगे तो. ठीक है, कृष्ण का भक्त ड्रेस से नहीं बनता. मतिर्न कृष्ण परतो सतोवा. इवन दो अदर पीपल गिव लेक्चर फॉर 1000 hours, स्वतः आप भी कुछ एफर्ट करो. गीता पढ़ रहे हैं, जब कर रहे हैं, मिथो कॉम्बाइंड एफर्ट, no use. What is very important is that हमको we have to see privately, secretly, एक इंद्रिय भोग का कोई लालसा पाले नहीं हुए हैं. Then आपका भक्ति पहले एक दिखावा है, उसको क्या करोगे? कितना दिन दिखेगा, एक दिन बाहर आ जाएगा आपका. कितना छुपाओगे, है ना? It's very, very important that we are determined. And then Bhagavatam explains that example of the deer, that's not the only example. So many examples it takes on this. There in the Bhagavatam is the beautiful story of Puranjana. Puranjana is in a city with 9 gates, referring to the body. Sharir nau dwar wala. And he's sitting there, he's a wonderful wife, beautiful wife he's having, representing the mind. And in the city is planning nicely sense enjoyment like we plan. घर में ये भी होने का, वो भी होने का, ये भी होने का. Nicely he is planning sense enjoyment in this world. But there is an attack now, which you do not see. What is the attack of? Old age, बुढ़ापे का attack, death का attack. And he can't fight. And everything is destroyed. So very nicely Bhagavatam takes so many examples of dangers of material existence. So many examples. So therefore, there is material existence is dangerous, we should be convinced. In Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says, Janma mrityu jara vyadi dukkha doshanudarshanam. A person who's wise understands there is danger in my life. What is the danger of rebirth? Prabhupada is saying that's the greatest danger. If next life you don't get a human life, it's very, very regrettable position. You're in a very dangerous. Mrityu, the death, extremely painful. Jara, old age. And vyadhi, diseases. So person who's realistic, his Krishna is saying, to receive knowledge, we need various elements. And one of the elements to receive, say, now internet language, to download knowledge. If you want to download knowledge, 20 conditions are there. And one of them, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi Dukkha Dosha Anudarshana. You should understand that Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi, these are actually my pains of existence. You should accept. They are part and parcel of my life, and there is no way I can avoid them. I have to accept. And such a person who actually understands the pains of material existence is actually become wise. Most of the people have a grand plan of enjoyment in this world. बाहर से भक्ति रहता है, अंदर से ह्यूज प्लान ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट. अंदर से भक्ति, बाहर से इंद्रिय, अंदर छुप के अंदर से इंद्रिय भोग की बड़ी लालसा. ये नाटक है, ये चलेगा नहीं. इससे तो अच्छा लोग हैं जो ओपनली बोलते हैं, भाई मैं इंद्रिय, मेरा जीवन का लक्ष्य इंद्रिय भोग है. They're better. They're better. So this will not last. Any hypocrisy will not last. पाखंड चलता नहीं है, 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन में फट जाता है, सबको दिख जाता है. So we have to therefore be genuine. And one of the elements to help us to be genuine is that to understand what is this existence. It's actually a beautiful design of the Lord. If suppose somebody you want to remove ignorance and you want to give him knowledge, he's not listening, just talk about death. Immediately he will start saying yes. It's a wonderful design. Immediately makes anybody philosophical and he becomes agreeable to accept Krishna consciousness. He starts very much, he can open up the philosophy. Okay, so we take this different examples of dangers. There are so many shlokas in the Shastra talking about danger. But yes, material existence is dangerous. Samashita ye pada pallava plavam mahat padam purna yasho murare pavamudi vassa padam param padam 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 yati padam natesha. A devotee, knowing the horrible dangers of material existence, does not take shelter in this world for some fleeting enjoyment. He rather takes shelter of Krishna. Every moment this is practiced. Now I have my movement, whose shelter I am taking? Am I taking shelter of some plan of material enjoyment given by my mind? Because hamara man jo hai, it creates different anticipations of happiness. Correct? Where does the happiness exist? It doesn't exist in the world. That's an anticipation. Prajahati yada kaman sarva partha mano gatan. So mind develops a plan of material existence. Mano gatan. Okay? And we have a plan. This way I will enjoy, this way I'll enjoy. Correct? We have a plan of enjoyment. And in this way we live. Mano gatan. Prajahati yada kaman sarva partha mano. So mind, we have a big plan of material enjoyment, and with this plan of material enjoyment we are anticipation. We will be very happy. I will be very happy if I touch this. I will be very happy if I see this. I will be very happy if I smell this. So if I very happy if I taste this. Correct? Ho gaya? These are all. So we develop an anticipation within the mind. And this destroys all the practice of spiritual life we are doing. It makes into a dustbin, waste. Because actually now you develop an agenda, unconsciously or consciously. So shameless means consciously, and not so shameless means unconsciously. Like in दिल में एक इंद्रिय भोग की लालसा उत्पन्न हो जाती है. वो क्या भक्ति कर रहा है? समय बर्बाद कर रहा है. So he has to take a decision with cool head, whether I want to go for this fleeting enjoyment or I want to actually progress myself. Because if these enjoyments are maintained in the heart, next life is animal life. Agle janam gaye, जानवर के जन्म में जाओ. Suppose somebody is having a desire for enjoyment of sex. ठीक है, चिड़ियों का जन्म बहुत अच्छा है. क्या भक्ति कर रहे थे? सब वेस्ट हो गया ना. सब वेस्ट हो गया, खाली नाटक रह गया. Because in your heart, secretly we are maintaining that desire. बाहर भक्ति दिखा रहे हैं, नहीं, और अंदर दिल में ऐसा ऐसा आनंद है. तो कृष्ण बोलेंगे यार तो बड़ा जा ना जा, जानवर के जन्म में जा. तेरे को इतना शास्त्र सुनना है, कुछ फायदा नहीं है तेरे को. जानवर का जन्म बहुत अच्छा है तेरे को, जा. So that's what Prabhupada is saying, because we become so mad. A person in knowledge understands this is going to happen. Person in ignorance doesn't know. Correct? We cannot take Krishna for granted. Krishna को बेवकूफ नहीं बना सकते. दुनिया को बेवकूफ बना सकते. कृष्ण तो देख रहे हैं. अच्छा, ये एंजॉयमेंट, ये तेरा प्लान है. हाँ, भक्ति का तेरा बाहर एक बड़ा आतंक नाटक चल रहा है, आडंबर चल रहा है. मूर्ख है क्या? जाओ जाओ, देख के आओ. तुम देख के आओ जरा. बंदरों का जीवन होता है. monkeys, you see that. A monkey has at least 1 dozen she wives. ठीक है. Similarly, you may have an enjoyment for eating, for sleeping. So varieties of forms, 84 lakh species are made for that, to give you an experiential learning. Because you cannot learn by hearing. है ना? कुत्ते की पूंछ की तरह कितना भी सीधा करो टेढ़ा. So you will not learn by hearing. आपको सिखाने के लिए डंडे ही चाहिए, करेक्ट? And this is when you are not doing sinful activity and you are maintaining material desire. Suppose you have started sinful activities also in your maintenance of the material desire, then hell is waiting. तब तो और भी डंडे से और हेवी डंडे से तुमको सिखाना पड़ेगा. So this is actually the dangerous material existence, and we should not make a joke out of it. You know? And imagine somebody without knowledge does foolishness, you can at least not feel so bad about it. Abodha jata is a fool. But somebody is in knowledge and is doing that, it is most regrettable. It's like knowledge, knowingly he is drinking na jani ya shuni avishakail. Knowingly he is drinking poison. So therefore we should know there is a danger. You know? As we always said, spiritualist means he knows, he is aware of the danger of material existence. You cannot say, I am walking on the road, in the middle of the road, oh, I did not traffic laws. That doesn't matter, it will hit you. The vehicle will come on, he doesn't know traffic laws, so I should not hit. What can a vehicle do? It's going at high speed. You are the ones not following any system, so you will get hit. So you cannot say the traffic policeman, I am sorry, I did not know, I have to stop here. No, so this is a fine. You touch fire, fire will not say, oh, he doesn't know, I'll burn him, so I cannot burn him. No. The material laws will act. What will happen? The material laws will act. Therefore, you see in Srimad Bhagavatam, there is a description of hell. Why Bhagavatam spends so much time explaining hell? So that to make alert and serious. In a pursuit of sense enjoyment, so many species of life are available. That is one level of stupidity. But in the pursuit of sense enjoyment, you are crossing the boundaries of dharma also. Oh my God, then hell is waiting for you. The whole 14 planetary systems with millions, 84 lakh species are there for your varieties of hallucinations of material enjoyment, which you are not ready to give up. That is one level of foolishness. And second level is that you are even ready to break regulatory principles, because that's what will happen. So that is what the danger of material existence is. Okay? Do you understand this point very clearly? One level is that we are maintaining material desires even though we are practicing spiritual life secretly. Very dangerous. Everything will become waste. And secondly, ठीक है ना, समझ आया? एक तो आप इंद्रिय भोग की लालसा छुपा के प्लान करके अंदर बैठा के रखे हैं, बाहर पाखंड चल रहा है. एक तो वो बेवकूफ़ी है. दूसरे उससे ज़्यादा बेवकूफ़ी पाप कर्म भी शुरू हो गए हैं इंद्रिय भोग को पालने के लिए. Then it is very, very dangerous because you're going to go to hell. नहीं, मैं माला करता, क्या करता है तू? This is just a show. It's just a show. Show से कुछ नहीं होता. We cannot fool Krishna. ठीक है? Therefore, let us understand, stay in association of devotees. We should see we are never alone. Always be in association of devotees, because Maya captures when you are alone. And together, see that we become serious in Krishna consciousness. Just like when many people prepare for entrance exam, what do? They study, group study. Hai na? It is easier to maintain seriousness. So similarly, we make serious, look for association of the people who are serious, and very carefully practice Krishna consciousness, so that we neither plan sense enjoyment, neither even do sinful activities. And in complete awareness of the pleasures of Krishna consciousness, of the happiness of the association of devotees, we seek entry into the Lord Krishna's pastimes. And our whole life becomes successful. Correct? So it's just like a toggle switch. Just one mistake, gone. Bharat Maharaj, little mistake, gone. We had Ajamila, little mistake, gone. We had an example of Chitraketu also. Ati Sneha. He became so much lost in the desire for a child. Okay, what does it do? No, we should not do prayasa, no? He tried to have a child. ठीक है भाई, आपका ही बेटा ही राजा बनेगा क्या? कोई और नहीं बन सकता क्या? Look for a good Kshatriya. No, मेरा बेटा ही होने का, मेरा बेटा ही होने का. One wife, another wife, another wife, another wife, कितना हो गया? Whatever reason he's not getting a child. But he's नहीं. Became totally obsessed with that thing. No? Pagalpan started. Except when something Krishna doesn't give, accept it, be peaceful. But he's so disturbed by that. And then next, after that, what happens? He, somehow gets a benediction, but the child dies. And he is totally he is lost. Okay? He's totally lost. Vipin Vilas Prabhuji, yes, just wait. He's totally lost in an intense pain when the child has died. His mouth open, he's crying, howling. He's fainting. He cannot even walk. When he hears that his son has died, he's walking, he's collapsing. Waking up, again walking, collapsing. And when he comes to home, sees his wife, both of them are mouth open, are crying in unimaginable pain. Correct? We see that quite often. They show this when somebody dies, aircraft crash or something. Recently somebody murdered somebody. They will show that the parents are mouth open, crying like unbearable pain. But Shastra says, Abodha Jata, Purnamurva. That's what Chitraketu was doing. And Narada and Angira Rishi came there out of their mercy and started scolding him. Why you are behaving like an animal? Janwar ki tarah kya vyavahar kar rahe ho? And they instruct him about the infallibility of the soul. And the Narada and Angira Rishi convince him about the reality of material existence. And then what happens after that, getting all the knowledge? He becomes enlightened, he becomes happy, he becomes peaceful. Okay? He practices spiritual life, he gets darshan of the Lord. Okay? The big story, Chitraketu. So how beautiful it is actually. So aren't we in a situation like Chitraketu, totally lost in the material existence? Are you in a situation like Ajamila, sometimes even dragged to sinful activities? Are you in a situation like Bharat Maharaj, unnecessarily getting attached in this world? Correct? What is the destination? They were lucky. Ajamila was lucky because at the end of the life, somebody encouraged him to chant the holy name of the Lord. Bharat Maharaj was lucky because Krishna remembered his devotion service. We see Chitraketu was lucky because Narada Angira Rishi enlightened him. But why you want to take such a chance? Why not? Why wait for the end of the life to accidentally chant the holy name of the Lord like Ajamila? Why not at this moment? If you're understanding the seriousness of the position, not that, arey chalta hai, I can also like Ajamil ki tarah ulta seedha karta rahega. At the end of the life, जोर से एक बारी हरिनाम बोल दे. भगवान बेवकूफ है क्या? It will not work. It will not work. So therefore, we have to become very, very careful. Understand, first thing, understand the dangers. Rules are rules. We were hearing the class on deity worship. Rules, rules, rules. Sadhaka means rules, rules and rules. Always strictly follow the rules of spiritual life. Then there is a chance of spiritual advancement. Follow the rules strictly. Then there is a chance of spiritual advancement. Otherwise, it will be very, very difficult. Okay? Don't play. Don't play with metal energy. Rules are rules. Okay? And this will help us. This will help us. This will help us that we do not get into some foolishness. The more strictly we follow the rules, the more gradually we will come to Satyaguda. And then we are enlightened, we can understand, then we can understand the beautiful knowledge of Krishna consciousness, and then heart being still purified more, then we can enter into the bliss of Krishna consciousness. But at the first level itself, we are complacent. That's what Srila Prabhupada said. In spite of so much effort that you are making in Krishna consciousness, he is telling to his disciple, if you are careless with the rules, everything will become waste. You spend 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, 60 years in Krishna consciousness, but you didn't even follow the basic rules, the regulative principles. You didn't follow the rules of even completing your rounds. In spite of so much effort, everything will become waste. That is the beautiful knowledge being presented here, and we should be therefore very, very careful. Just don't make spiritual life a joke. And in that platform, when you are practicing Krishna consciousness, being serious, yes. And the wood will burn when it is dry. A wet wood doesn't burn, correct? So if you are keeping wood wet, in spite of so much effort to put into fire, it's of no use, no? That is what is it. Suppose somebody is not following the rules, even though he is chanting Hare Krishna, it is like putting wet wood on the fire. Only smoke will come. And then, little you do practice of spiritual life, then whole day you are doing sense enjoyment. Kya fayda hua uska? There is no benefit of that. Because you are again putting water over. Aag jalaye, usme aake 2 balti pani fenk diya. Kya fayda hua? So many times that happens. So become aware of the day. Do not never think, no, I am actually a Krishna Bhakta, so Krishna will not punish me, I will not see hell even if I do sinful activities. I will not see the animal life even though, why Bharat Maharaj became a deer? What kind of person are you? Even a great personality like Bharat Maharaj has to see the body of the deer. Why you are so special? Correct? Even a personality like Ajamila has to see the fearful material existence. What is so special about you? So everybody has to face the dangers of material existence. You cannot say, "Bhai chalta hai," no. We have to face this. So never take it. Rather, instead of developing the mentality of dangerous position, why not develop a mentality of I do mistakes, Krishna sorry, and Krishna will forgive me? No, sir. Correct? That will not happen. Hell is waiting. No, I am chanting Hare Krishna. Jayega narak, seedha jayega narak. As in, mere ko kuch nahi hoga, jayega. This kind of mentality will make a devotee do sinful activities. नहीं मैं जब कर रहा है थोड़ा sinful activity चलता है थोड़ा. Krishna is very kind actually, very merciful. Krishna may punish you even more. Don't play. Krishna is as hard as stone and as soft as rose. That's a mark of a great personality. Krishna has that. नहीं थोड़ा इंद्रिय भोग चलेगा मेरा थोड़ा ठीक है चलेगा. But you will not get Krishna bhakti. And variety of the ways, your material life will continue. Just like you're keeping a wood wet. आग में लगा रहे फिर उसमें पानी डाल रहे, आग में क्या फायदा होगा? So many times we are doing spiritual life, but we are not serious. And then this is going to be the result. Like Prabhupada, in spite of all the effort, everything will become waste. Prabhupada writes, in spite of so many years you are putting in spiritual life, खाली लोगों को दिखाते रहोगे, मेरे 10 साल हो गए 20, ये सब बकवास. Because there is no spiritual energy. You are not burning in happiness of Krishna consciousness because somewhere you are compromising. So what we should do? We should become serious, that's all. And don't play, become very serious. Correct? And then, if you are genuine and serious, that's why we have to become sincere and serious in Krishna consciousness. Then our progress is guaranteed. Okay? And that requires knowledge. And how do you develop knowledge? In association. Read scriptures, association, you're taking association of Srila Prabhupada, you are hearing Bhagavatam, you are hearing, okay? And then you are chanting Hare Krishna, you are doing varieties of devotion service. What is the use? All of these activities will bring mercy of Krishna and you get knowledge. Like Prabhupada says one time, can't you see the magic? The devotee says, what is the magic? You got knowledge. It's not easy to get knowledge of Krishna consciousness. By the mercy of Krishna, knowledge awakens within the heart. Hridayesha Arjuna Tishtati. Krishna is sitting within the heart and he enlightens the heart with knowledge. And if the heart is enlightened in knowledge, life becomes successful. Okay? But how do you get this enlightenment? It's not easy, it's not a joke. Krishnavatam Sakata Krishna. So Krishna is sitting within the heart. Hridyantostohi. Within the heart he is sitting. Many times Shastra says. And he enlightens. The Jnana Deepena Bhasvata. With the torchlight of knowledge, he enlightens the heart of a devotee. But what could devotee need? Be sincere. But if he is playing, then he should not expect Krishna to be helpful. Then it's okay. Then life will go on. Okay, so let us become sincere and serious. Let us get spiritual knowledge and enlightenment of the spiritual knowledge, realizations which will develop. Spiritual knowledge doesn't mean theory. Like, very nice you read, no? There's some people who can take a good class, we were reading, and Prabhupada says, but they're not following anything. And then next Prabhupada says, better than that is somebody who's following. Better than that is the person whose heart is not purified from desire of material existence. And better than him, the best, is the person who is a pure devotee. Actually, who is in pure love of Krishna. So we should not be many times, you're happy, oh, I'm a teacher, I can take a good class, I can answer any questions. What is so special about it? No big deal. There's a lot of levels to go ahead of that. So we can present the philosophy of Krishna consciousness, no big deal. But are we, even after knowing so much philosophy of Krishna consciousness, still maintaining material desire? इतना philosophy जान के भी हृदय में कुछ एक इंद्रिय भोग की लालसा छुपा के बैठे हुए. Then what is this? Is पाखंड, no? है ना? Then Krishna, you cannot cheat Krishna. Krishna will say, okay, see the body of a pig, very good for you. You have a lot of desires, it will satisfy. So, therefore it is need, and knowing is not big deal. Just like Shastra says, Pashyanapi na pashyati. Deha patra kalatra deshu atma saineshu asatsu api tasyam nidhanam eva pashyanapi na pashyati. दिखने पे भी नहीं दिखता उसको. दिख नहीं रहा क्या तेरे को? He's not saying hell is waiting, he's not saying animal life is waiting. Prabhupada is saying that's the greatest danger. You got a human form of life, you're secretly maintaining material desires, you will see animal life, and you do sinful activities also, then you see hell. ऐसा नहीं, मैं तो devotee है ना, मैं जब जाएगा, पक्का जाएगा. Oh, then he will become serious. See, that is what happens to us. नहीं, थोड़ा चलेगा, कुछ नहीं चलेगा. Just like a Parikshit Maharaj, being a gentleman, he did not ask Krishna, Krishna, थोड़ा गलती हो गया. Save me from this, snake bite. He didn't say. What he was thinking? I did a mistake. Krishna punished me so severely that I don't do this mistake again. है ना? So devotee, if he recounts his life and he is leaving the body, okay? And then what he will say? Yamaraj, see, lot of sinful activities I have done. Punish me so severely, I don't do it again. है ना? ये नहीं बोलेगा, sorry. वो नहीं चलता, sorry उधर. ठीक है, but time is there, you are lucky now. You still have some time till the point of death. Maybe few minutes, maybe hours, or maybe some years. So at least become purified, so you don't have to face embarrassing position. ये नहीं चित्र को तू list बना रहा है. Sorry, Yamaraj. I was chanting also, no? And क्या किया? हाँ, ये भी किया. चित्र क्यों तू बोल रहा है? Sorry, Yamaraj. कितना sorry बोलोगे बेशरम? इससे अच्छा we take that opportunity given and purify the heart so that that is a past which is forgotten and washed and cleaned. Okay? And we very smilingly we are blessed by Yamaraj and we go back to spiritual world. Instead of that, because even a slightest of material desire, we will not get entry to the spiritual world. Hare Krishna everybody.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
प्रणाम हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी धन्यवाद प्रणाम.
अरे विपिन विलास प्रभु जी, आपका कुछ एग्जाम्पल था, बोलना चाहते थे?
नहीं, वो एक्चुअली वो सौबरी मुनि का एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो.
वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल. सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. इतना बड़ा पर्सनालिटी, फर्स्ट ही ऑफेंडेड गरुड़ा, है ना? And then he fell. And the sign of fall down was that even he could not handle one fish seeing another fish, correct? उसी में attract हो गया.
And all the examples basically without association anything can happen. So this is the moral of the today's class is the association and association.
अरे तो बुला रहे हैं, कौन आ रहा है? गुजराती में तो सुना है 100 लोग आ रहे हैं, हिंदी में 0, इंग्लिश में 0, ऑलमोस्ट 0 सारा डिपार्टमेंट, मतलब 3-4 लोग. पता नहीं क्या है. उनको एसोसिएशन का वैल्यू ही नहीं है। पिकनिक के लिए आना चाहते हैं। एक्चुअली आई वांट टू मेक अ रूल कि जो मैंगलोर नहीं आते उनको कहीं नहीं ले जाएंगे, बेकार लोग हैं इनको। ये लोग पिकनिक के लिए आते हैं, इनको क्यों हम समय बर्बाद करें? अपना समय जाता है ना। हम तो यात्रा कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट कर रहे हैं, मेरे को 1 रुपये का फ़ायदा भी नहीं है ना, करेक्ट? तो क्यों मैं समय व्यर्थ करने? इनको एसोसिएशन का वैल्यू नहीं है ना। बाकी जगह पिकनिक होता है, हाँ वो देखना है, 4 धाम यात्रा, हाँ वो देखना है मेरे को, वो देखना है। अरे तुम अपना टेम्पल ही नहीं आना चाहते हो तो क्यों मेरे को ले जाने का? ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ अभी, लेकिन डिसीजन नहीं लिया। हो सकता है ये नहीं बोलना प्रभु जपा करते माफ़ कर दो, नहीं। यमराज भी माफ़ नहीं करते, हम भी माफ़ नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? और वैसे भी सोचा था ये टीचर भी दे डोंट रिप्रेजेंट अस because they are not having any attachment to the temple. Why they should teach actually? Those who are not coming. करेक्ट? इनको क्यों अवसर देने का? सब लोग को निकाल दो, बेकार लोग हैं ये। Because how they are not even loyal, they are not even attached to the temple. Kali they are having the enjoyment of presenting philosophy, but they have having no, just like that Romaharshana Sutta, है ना? Romaharshana Sutta का क्या हुआ था? बड़ा बड़ा philosophy तो बोल रहा था वो, but Balram ji came, he had no respect, correct? So they don't have कि such a huge crowd is going to come to the temple. Let us go do some service. ठीक है? Let us meet devotees at least once in a year. Let us be with in our temple, do service. Interest ही नहीं है. I heard even teachers are not coming, leaders are not coming. So बाकी लोग क्यों आएंगे? So I do not know what to do.
प्रभु जी हिंदी में तो कुछ लोग आ जाएंगे।
कुछ नहीं आ रहा, खाली 2-3 लोग आ रहा, बेकार है बिल्कुल।
नहीं प्रभु जी 2-3 नहीं है, 20 तक तो हो जाएंगे।
अच्छा 5 है। हाँ
English around 25 members are coming, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Pranam, Prabhuji.
Till time is there, people are making plan, Prabhu.
अरे वो टिकट नहीं मिलेंगे अभी, ट्रेन के टिकट जा रहे हैं। हाँ।
They are the rich people, they will come by the flight, Prabhu. English and Hindi.
फ्लाइट का रेट बढ़ रहा है अभी।
Yeah, that is true.
Travel by flight is very dangerous.
एयर इंडिया तो क्या कर रहा है? कैंसिल कर रहा है।
नहीं
एयर इंडिया में,
ऐसा कुछ
एयर इंडिया में अगर आप फ्लाइट बुक करेंगे आपको पैसे देते हैं वो।
फिर तो सभी
11
आएंगे।
नंबर सीट का रेट बढ़ रहा है।
प्रभु जी क्या करेंगे वो? पैसे लेकर क्या करेंगे प्रभु जी? तो जान ही नहीं रहेगी तो क्या मतलब है उन पैसों का?
वो आपका जो 1 घंटे का रास्ता होगा, हाँ?
वही तो डर लगता है आपको सोचो उस दिन
नहीं,
जो
प्रेस कर देना, मंदिर का नाम है।
पहले ही अपनी प्रॉपर्टी मंदिर के नाम कर दो, फिर उसके बाद आओ।
करेक्ट।
ठीक है, ओके, हरे कृष्णा। चलो दर्शन ले लेते।
हरे कृष्ण।
थैंक यू प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्णा नमस्कार।
Thank you. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्णा
Prabhu ji.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Rama 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 Hare Hare,
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे हरे
Rama Rama
राम
Rama
राम राम हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Rama Rama Hare
राधा गोविंद की
जय
मान्यता है की
श्रील प्रभु जी की जय।